This video will show you how to retrofit your existing 8-foot fluorescent strip with the SYLVANIA Retrofit LED strip kit designed specifically for 8-foot strips. First, make sure the power is turned off. Remove the existing lamps. Remove the ballast covers. Disconnect the quick connect. Cut the leads on both sides of the ballast. Remove the sockets. An 8-foot fixture will have both center and end pieces to install. First install the centerpiece, then install the end pieces. One method is being demonstrated here. Please refer to the installation guide for alternative methods. Attach the safety straps to the bottom of the existing fixture. The fixture body is now ready to accept the retrofit strips. Secure the fixtures to the safety straps. Apply the information label identifying the fixture as having been modified for LED lamps. Remove the lenses. Install the secondary fixture with the spring clips using a 1/4 turn. Attach the ground wire. Using the quick connect, attach the primary fixture to the secondary fixture. Reconnect the quick connect to the primary fixture. If 0 to 10 volt dimming is desired, hook the purple and gray wires to the incoming dimming wires. Install the primary fixture with the spring clips using a 1/4 turn. Install the lenses. Center each lens in the channel to prevent light leaks. Turn power on to the fixture. Enjoy long-lasting light from your new SYLVANIA Retrofit strip.